college offers both the courses BSc Nursing and JNM Nursing. The eligibility criteria for BSc Nursing is 45% marks in the 12th board examination with the subjects like physics, chemistry, biology and English. The eligibility criteria for JNM Nursing is 40% marks in the 12th board examination in any stream with English. We also provide scholarship to the meritorious students of our college. We also avail a student credit card scheme for the student residing in West Bengal. Our banking partner is Bank of India for providing educational loan for the students. Our college also provides internship for the student after the completion of the course. Fundamental of nursing is a basic and important subject in the nursing profession. The fundamental lab provides us with the assimilation of all the procedure before practicing it in the ward. The demonstrations are first given by the teachers and then it is re-demonstrated by the students.